two of my series where I'm gonna kind of demystify all the terms you need to know about investing. So in this video, I'm gonna look at the PLTR stock and kind of cover over basic stuff, right? So this is PLTR. So PLTR is ticker. The company name is Planter Technology, right? And the current price is 143.60. Of course, it's always changing, and you can see that it's up 0.31% today, which is 46 cents as of today, right? And you can see the chart, and you can always like look at the 1 day, 1 week, 3 months. And you can do a lot of things, right? Different technical analysis, technical indicators will go over there. You can see the description, and you can see CEO, founded, how many employees there are, and the headquarters, right? So I'm gonna kind of show you right here a few of the stats, right? So what is bid? Bid is basically there's always whenever you have a stock, there's a one buyer and the other one is a seller. So bid is a buyer. Buyer is saying I'm willing to buy 101 share of PLTR at $143.64. It's always changing, right? And you see the number below. That's how many shares people are willing to buy. It could be one or it could be multiple people. And the ask is somebody who is a seller who is selling is like, hey, I'm gonna sell at this price, right? That's where the spread is. So the tighter the spread, that's better for you. But as you saw, buyer is asking for this price, and seller is saying like, hey, I'm gonna only willing to sell at that price. So that bid and ask. Now let's go down. Then we have a volume. Volume is 28.84. What does it mean? That means 28.86 million shares were traded today, basically buy and sell. If you buy 1 million, that's one, and if you sell that just buying, that's a 2 million, right? So all the volume is 28. Overnight volume, that's after hours, that's overnight, kind of makes sense. Then you have average volume, which is basically what's the average daily volumes in the, I think it's the last 3 months. So 85.92. I'm not sure if it's 3 months or a year, but that's basically average. Now you look at the open. So open is, that's what the price it opened today, 144.48. Now it's kind of down if you look at that, right? So today's high, it went high up to 147, kind of sells explanatory. Same today's low, that's the low of the day. Now you have a market cap. What is the market cap? That is the value of the company, right? With this current price, the value of PLTR is $338.58 billion. It's price multiplied by total outstanding share. That gives you the market cap. Now we have a 52-week high and low, kind of makes sense. The 52-week low, clearly, like, look at this. We had a tremendous run, almost 21.23. That was the low, and the high is 147.16, which actually hit today. So today it hit all-time high. That's the